Okay, let's face it, traditional finance is old news. The banks hold your money, charge you fees, and toss you crumbs and interest. Sound familiar? Now imagine a world where your money doesn't just sit. It works for you, earning passive income 24/7. Welcome to the world of liquidity pools. They're the secret sauce behind the DeFi revolution, and they're making everyday people richer while flipping the script on what's possible in finance. But here's the kicker. Most people don't understand them, and that's where you have the edge. Whether you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind or just looking to level up your crypto game, this is the key. Liquidity pools are not some nerdy tech jargon. They're the ultimate strategy for anyone wanting to build wealth without breaking a sweat. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll know exactly how to make your money work harder than you ever did. Ready to unlock the secrets and start earning? Let's dive into how they work. So, what is a liquidity pool? They're not as complicated as they sound. Picture this, a giant pot of money, crypto to be precise, locked into a smart contract. It's like a community piggy bank but for decentralized trading. Liquidity pools are the backbone of decentralized exchanges, making trades happen even when traditional markets are asleep or inefficient. Think of it as the ultimate matchmaker, pairing buyers and sellers with zero drama. Here's where it gets exciting. Liquidity pools don't just enable trading, they rewrite the rules. In centralized exchanges, trades rely on order books, those clunky lists of buy and sell orders. But in DeFi, liquidity pools step in with automated market making, removing the middlemen entirely. Imagine being able to swap tokens at 2 a.m., no questions asked, thanks to a pool that's always open for business. Pretty slick, huh? Now why should you care? Well, liquidity pools are not just for traders, they're for everyone. If you've ever thought about making your crypto work for you, these pools are your golden ticket. By contributing your tokens, you become a liquidity provider, and that's where the magic starts. Spoiler alert. This isn't just for tech nerds, it's for anyone looking to earn passive income while being part of the decentralized revolution. And that's just scratching the surface. Liquidity pools don't work in isolation. They're the backbone of an entire movement called DeFi. Curious about how they're shaping decentralized finance and why they're such a game changer? Liquidity pools are the engine behind the DeFi boom, making decentralized finance work like a well-oiled machine. Imagine trying to trade tokens without a liquidity pool. It would be like going to a market where nobody has change for your big bills. These pools ensure there's always enough liquidity for trades to flow smoothly. From decentralized exchanges to yield farming platforms, they're powering the entire ecosystem behind the scenes. The magic of DeFi lies in automation, and liquidity pools are its unsung heroes. They enable automated market making, or AMM, where smart contracts handle the heavy lifting of price setting and matching trades. Platforms like Uniswap and SushiSwap thrive on this model, offering seamless token swaps without needing a centralized order book. It's like cutting out the middleman and letting the tech do the talking. But that's not all. Liquidity pools aren't just about trading, they're transforming borrowing and lending too. Think Aave or Compound, where you can deposit your crypto into a pool and earn interest while others borrow against it. It's like becoming your own mini bank, earning passive income while your assets remain liquid. And the best part, you're not just participating, you're redefining how finance works. But let's make this personal. Why should you care about liquidity pools? Simple. They're not just for powering DeFi platforms, they're for building your wealth. Here's the kicker. By participating in a liquidity pool, you're not just helping the system, you're getting paid for it. Every time someone trades within the pool, a small fee is collected, and that fee goes straight to the liquidity providers. It's like earning rent on your crypto, and the best part? It's passive. You don't have to actively manage anything. The smart contracts handle it all. An example. Say you add Ethereum and USDT to a Uniswap pool. Each time someone swaps Ethereum for USDT or vice versa, you earn a share of the transaction fees based on your contribution. The more you provide, the bigger your slice of the pie. It's a win-win situation, where your assets are working overtime without you lifting a finger. And the rewards don't stop there. Some platforms sweeten the deal by offering liquidity mining incentives. In simple terms, they pay you extra in their native tokens just for providing liquidity. Imagine earning fees and additional tokens simultaneously. It's the kind of double dipping that actually pays off, making liquidity pools one of the hottest ways to earn in the DeFi space. But hold on. As sweet as these rewards sound, there's no free lunch in crypto. For every opportunity, there's a risk waiting in the wings. What's the catch with liquidity pools? Let's get into the risks, so you can play smart and stay ahead. While liquidity pools sound like a gold mine, they come with their share of risks. The biggest buzzkill? Impermanent loss. It happens when the value of the tokens in the pool shifts compared to just holding them in your wallet. For example, if you add Ethereum and USDT to a pool and Ethereum's price skyrockets, you might end up with less Ethereum than you started. It's a trade-off that requires careful consideration. Security is another major factor. Remember, liquidity pools rely on smart contracts, and while they're brilliantly designed, they're not foolproof. Hacks, exploits, or even a coding bug can drain a pool faster than you can say crypto. That's why it's crucial to choose platforms with a solid track record like Uniswap or Balancer, and stay informed about updates or audits. Finally, there's the human factor. Rug pulls where shady developers abandon a project and take off with the funds are still a thing. It's like handing your money to a stranger and hoping for the best. The solution? Do your homework. Stick to reputable projects, diversify your investments, and don't throw all your eggs into one pool. Knowledge is your best defense in the wild west of DeFi. Now you might be thinking, with all these risks, how do liquidity pools even function so smoothly? The answer lies in their design. A perfect blend of algorithms and smart contracts working together to create seamless transactions. Let's dive into how they operate and why they're built to handle the pressure. So how do these pools actually work? It all starts with asset pairing. A liquidity pool typically contains two tokens like Ethereum and USDT in a 50-50 ratio. When you add funds to the pool, you're contributing equal value of both tokens. These pairs enable smooth swaps by maintaining a balanced ratio, thanks to an algorithm called the constant product formula. It's math, but the kind you'll love. Here's the behind-the-scenes magic. When someone swaps tokens, the algorithm adjusts the pool's balance to ensure fair pricing. Let's say a trader wants to exchange Ethereum for USDT. The more Ethereum they add to the pool, the higher its price becomes, discouraging large trades that could destabilize the ratio. It's an elegant system that ensures liquidity and stability, no matter the market conditions. And don't forget, every transaction within the pool generates fees. These fees are distributed among liquidity providers based on their share in the pool. The more you contribute, the bigger your cut. Platforms like PancakeSwap even let you track your earnings in real time, making it easier to see the value of your contribution. It's finance reimagined, with transparency baked into the system. Now that you know how liquidity pools can transform your crypto strategy, it's time to take action. Are you ready to put your assets to work and start earning passive income like never before? The opportunities in DeFi are endless, but they won't wait for anyone. Don't just sit on the sidelines. Jump in, explore, and let your money work for you 24/7. Here's a question for you. What's stopping you from diving into the world of DeFi right now? Whether it's fear of the unknown or not knowing where to start, it's time to push past it. The tools, strategies, and platforms are out there, and now you know the secrets. All that's left is for you to take the leap and seize the rewards waiting on the other side. And hey, if you're serious about mastering DeFi and taking control of your financial future, I've got something special for you. Grab my ebook. It's packed with exclusive strategies, tools, and insider tips to help you dominate the DeFi space. You'll find the link pinned in the first comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we're just getting started. Your journey to financial freedom begins now.